This refreshing mixed berry smoothie is a convenient way to boost your and your kids' intake of fruits in the summer, which can be consumed as a morning meal or afternoon snack to provide diverse array of essential minerals, vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. This quick, simple, and tasty recipe will surely bring a big smile on your loved one's face. In a blender jar, add roughly cut ripe banana, frozen mixed berries, sugar, dry ginger powder, nutmeg, vanilla essence, and 1/4 of a milk in a blender and blend it into a smooth puree. Now add few ice cubes and blend it once again for another few seconds. Now add rest of the milk and blend it again. Pour it into glass and your delectable mixed berry smoothie is ready to keep you full and energized. Garnish it with whipped cream and berries or enjoy it as it is. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.